All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So let's get started. Today is Tuesday, December 12th, 2023. It's 8 a.m. and let's do this pre-market analysis and see what can we expect for today. Um, news at news at 8:30. So CPI, we indicated that one, this one yesterday. This is big news. So we are the combination in between this news and tomorrow's FOMC meetings is makes this week interesting. Let's put it that way. So so 8:30 we are going to wait for it. Tomorrow we do have FOMC statement at 2, and then at 2:30 we do have the press conference there. So those are the big news for tomorrow. Also, we do have 8:30 news, and then on Friday, I'm sorry, on Thursday, we do have at 8:30 we do have retail sales and unemployment claims. So also additional news. Very interesting week. Yesterday was slow, with the exception of my dear friend gold. Gold had a very good move and was really aligned with our expectations, or my expectations on the move. So let's look at it. Let's look at it now and see what happened yesterday in gold. We indicated yesterday at around 8 a.m., right? We were in this area here and I was saying, okay, this one can go to the 2000 level, which is this one here. It went through and then came back up, touched in this candle here, or in this move here, went back to the 2000 and then continued moving down to this level right here, and then started to recover and moved up. And now, I'm sorry, I spilled my coffee. Give me 1 second. Just 1 second, okay? I'll mute this thing. Okay. Wasn't that hard? Last time I did this, I spilled it on my keyboard, and okay, I put that away. So I spilled it in my keyboard, and it was really a mess. Okay, so what I was saying is that we went through, came back, and then moved up, and now we are above the 10 simple moving average there. Okay, so look at it. Let's look at the Renko chart for yesterday. So we were in this area here. I don't if you recall, I was looking at this level here, and then try to make a break right there. Not really a break, but a pivot right there. Another pivot right there. So price was coming towards this value here. When it came and bounced here, I did not take this one, of course, because it, well, not of course, but I didn't take it, okay? I didn't take this one because there was, just only one touch at this point, at this level. It came back, went into a couple of, went through a couple of ticks and then came back. And then there was another area or another area or price touch that was forming here. And if you see, let me expand this one a little bit so you can see here. If you see that wick there was I'm sorry, not that one. This one here, right? This candle tried to bounce back up and then form an engulfing candle of that one, and then made the continuation right there. So at this point, I was thinking, okay, so we have 1 point, 1 touch, 2 touches. Then there was a little bit of rejection in this candle. This is a valid pivot right there. Okay. So for me, this level at that point, that level was important. So it was around 2006, and then it came back up, touch once more, give a kiss, and then goodbye. All right. So move down very nicely. That was a gold yesterday. Hopefully you can see that the setups here are, if you're and I was actually shouting this one up on this. Let me mark it with this here. So I did see that. Then I did see that diagonal. So that diagonal, and then I did see this one here. Well, this one here was that red line level, which is the low of the overnight price. So what I said yesterday, okay, you have, I believe I was saying you have one touch, second touch, and then you could take it. So if you were more risk lover, then you could have taken that trade over there or this trade over here. The best way is to actually wait until it breaks to the downside, because you are in a range. Moving down though, moving down, but it's still in a range, and then you get this nice move right here. My target was 2000. It was met right there. Then came back down, touched it a couple of times more. And if you see this formation, this is a very nice formation as well. Still within the time range where you can take a trade. You have an up down, and then continued moving to the downside, and then reach the 1991 level right there. So potentially you would have make good money in this trade. So that's gold. I'm sorry I'm taking a little bit longer to analyze what happened yesterday. Let's go now to the levels for today. Okay, so gold, I'm gonna call that one there, which is the low from yesterday, 1990. Should be 1991. I'm gonna 1991. I'm gonna leave it at 1991, and here I'm gonna go. Let's look at what happened in the past. Yeah, 1991 would be around that pivot right here too. But then let's see. I'm gonna go with this pivot right here. There is another one right there, but I'm gonna go with this one, which is more recent. So let's go and put the there 2010. I'm gonna call 2010 that there. Let's put a horizontal line here as well at the 2000 level. Do we need it? Because that one is the one. So I'm gonna put it right there, 2000. Okay. So just to highlight it a little bit, but we do have this 2010 and 1991 to 1990 could be right, because we have this pivot right here. Okay, so I'm good with that. And see what happens in the news. I took a little bit. Okay, so we have 8:10, so 10 more minutes for gold to open. The pit. Okay, and now let's go to crude. Crude was really doing nothing yesterday. It was in the range the whole time. We marked this up level right here, 71, 72, and then we had this 70-20, and it really it went sideways. So I'm gonna maintain this. Tomorrow there's a IE inventories. Let's get back to let's get back to tomorrow. And this one is crude inventories right here, 10:30. So let's see what happened there. We are in crude. We are in a range. In a range here, so I'm gonna maintain these two levels. Still valid. Probably I can even go a little bit higher today on the support. I'm gonna leave it just there. Be cautious though that this could be a level that it's screaming to be broken to the downside. And I said that we were forming a bear flag on the dailies, and it seems that it's trying to trigger. We'll see. We will see the time charts in a minute. Okay, let's go to ES, and just for the note here, yesterday it was kind of like the price was all the way up. I received finally the comment from customer support on Ninja Trader, the platform support, and basically they sent me an article, and the thing, just fixed by itself. I restarted the application, and it was fixed by itself. So it seems that Ninja Trader corrects this price level when there is a rollover. And I didn't do anything on the platform to just fix it. Okay, so let's go to these levels here. This one here, I'm gonna go with this 60 whatever right there, and I'm looking at those tops right there. Okay, let's see if there's anything else behind. No, so that one there would be my support, 46.66, 46.65, 46.65, and then right here. 46.87, 86, 46. Rounded number. I mean, it's too tight, so it could be like just there, 60, 46.85, 46.86. Okay, let's put 46.86. I'm gonna manually 46.86 and 46.65. Okay, so apply. Yeah. Okay, so those are the levels. And now let's go to, I'm trying to go fast now because it took me a little bit to explain or to show the move in gold. So let's okay, so this level here that we had a while ago was actually served as a support level, and now price in gold, I mean in NQ, is moving up. Let's see. Let's take this one. And this one is okay. So I'm gonna go with that. Let's see if we have it. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. This is for 16,420, and I'm gonna go. Man, this is getting 16,600. And what I'm looking at here is that this rounded number right here. You know what? Probably I would need to look at my NQ chart in Thinkorswim because to do what's going on here. Just 1 second. Seems that it's more okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. 16,600. And then here 16,420. 16,420 and 16,600. That is the best I can do, I think. Because this one is a new high, so it's kind of hard to estimate here unless we go with a Fibonacci a level or a measure move from here to there. Well, we have news at 8:30, and this analysis is going to be probably not really valid, but okay, I'm gonna leave it there. That's the best I can do now. You're very welcome, Dean. You're very welcome. Hopefully it works for you. It helps. Okay, so let's go and do the 60-minute. What time is it? Is 8:17. So let's go to the charts. 2 minutes for gold to open. One thing that I didn't do, I'm gonna do it now, and sometimes I forget, but it probably is not necessary now. Let's go back to today's, and then we do have 8:30, right? 8:30 news, and then nothing else. So normally, what you should do is to go to your alert system and mark this one. In this case, 8:30 as news. So you kind of don't forget. There are some news that are important for you to look at. So make sure that you create the alerts there. Okay. All right. So market analyzer, I do have this here. So the way that I jump in between the instruments is using this blue indicator. This one is the instrument link. So when from the market analyzer, when I do have the markets that I follow, and I trade basically in GC and CL. These are my, I would say 90% of the trades I make them in these two instruments. And then RTY is the next one. And then ES sometimes, NQ randomly or seldomly. Mostly I don't do NQ. I do the analysis, but I don't do the trades in there, just for you to know. So if you have this blue synchronized with that one, this one here, and that one there, and okay, and this one here. Then hold on, Yeah, my alarm was setting. Okay, so let's go with the gold and look at we are in a bear flag right here, going towards our resistance level, which is maybe it's going to collide with this moving average here. So we are bearish, but we are moving to the upside in the short term, forming a bear flag on the 240, bouncing back down on gold in this bear flag as well, in congestion. Okay, and then in the 30 minutes, same thing. We'll see what the news are going to do with this, because sometimes you have big jumps up and down, and all of this analysis would not be valid. Crude coming back down, forming this bear flag I was saying in the introduction. Bear flag, doji right there, most likely a continuation to the downside. We'll see what it's gonna do, but we do have a bear momentum or momentum negative. And then this bear flag just triggered here. We are still in the range, but it seems that it wants to go down. So bearish in there. We are in the 60 minutes. We are breaking this. We are breaking. What's going on? Huh. Interesting. I don't know what happens. Okay, so I'm not gonna use it. So we are, double top right here, coming back down, breaking this diagonal. Let's go and choose this. Where is it? F2 line maybe. So short-term break or yeah, short-term trend line broken right here, so coming back down, and then also here threatening to go more to the downside, so bearish in the 60 minutes as well. Let's go to I'm gonna put it out here, NQ. Bullish in the 240s, bullish in the 60s, bullish in the 30 minutes. So making a bull flag right here in Q. And did we look at ES? No, bullish 240s, bullish 60 minutes, bullish on the 30s. Okay, and bullish on the all of this is messed up on my 30 minutes chart because of this change of instruments here, the change of the expiration. I'm gonna need to either delete all of this or fix it. But okay. Let's go and look at the Renko charts, and let's wait for news. And I'm gonna put some music, and I'm gonna, I spilled my coffee, so I'm going to get another cup. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you with some music. It is not going to take more than probably 3 to 4 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's. I'm back. So a week off of the 34 EMA right there in Q. I mean in gold. But we're 2 minutes from news. 1 minute and 40 and 1 minute and 11 seconds. Okay, good morning, everyone. Simple calm. Welcome. Okay, so let's see what's going on. 40 seconds. Gold is it's moving up. And, I don't trade that before, 2 minutes before or 2 minutes after. I'm going to wait to see how the fireworks. I like to see the fireworks, actually. I love them. So let's see if we have some today. 15 seconds. And boom, we should have them right now in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay. What are you doing? Gold coming back down. ES moving up. NQ. This is too fast. Okay, I have. Gold is moving to the upside. Crude doesn't have any reaction on this news, which is expected. It's not. Okay. Initial range forming. Crude is continuing. Now battling in the upper zone here. These are our levels. 2010. It's right there, trying to cross above. Let's see how this level. So we are above the 4660, 4680. Found resistance at our level up here, 2010, and coming back down, still bullish. There's a triple top. Oh, what's going on with this? And coming back down. Not really that much of a reaction. I don't see I don't see that much actually. Let's see what happened, which is good. I like I like ranges because when they break with more strength. And Q coming back in the 30 minutes. We have NQ 30 minutes. Let's go and look at this. NQ 30 minutes. We are forming this doji. Gold coming back down off of our resistance. Gold continue its rejection from R1 right here in Q. And crude has done nothing actually. Yeah, still there. Nice rejection in NQ actually. Now hit the previous high and bounced a little. Okay, so 5 minutes into the trades. Gold finding some support here at the pivot level. Moving averages are stacking to the downside in ES and Q, ES gold and crude. Well, oh, thank you so much for the likes. Remember also to check the Apex promo code in the description. So if you want to trade risk free, this is a good option, especially if you're starting trading. Okay, let's review the time charts again to see what we have after the news. And I'm gonna start with gold. 30 minutes. Counter trending, forming a doji. No change here. Bear flag forming. All moving averages pointing to the downside. crude, bear flags everywhere. This one is a little bit extended, but still in the range. In a bear flag. It has not moved really. And ES, still bullish with the doji there. Fighting our fighting to the tick our resistance level right there. And then NQ above the still above support, so bullish. Doji in the 60s and doji in the 30s. Um, it's breaking this diagonal now, gold. Tricky on gold because, okay, there you go, breaking the diagonal. Tricky on gold because you do have some interesting support here. And now it's finally breaking to the downside. So and nice, good job, 40 ticks in NQ, very nice. And crude, it's coming back down here. Let's see if gold breaks to the downside here and continue the move. Okay, it seems that gold wants to break to the downside here. We do have this important level down below here, which is the opening price on the overnight, and this one could be a rejection also. So we need to look at it closely. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. And it's rejecting right there. Let's see if it keeps moving down. It could. It could. Yeah, I think that in Q could be in a range. Yeah, it seems that gold is being rejected out of this value right here. So mm, 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 mm. Okay, so what time is it? 8:50. Yeah, a little bit of or a bounce off of that um, opening price right here. Um, Still bearish, I would say, in here. It's continue now. It's continuing moving down. Week off of these moving average, the 34, and also there's a rejection of this diagonal here. So let's see if it what it does from here. Uh, the arrow on the Renko. Okay, are you referring to these white arrows? Yes. Okay. So that arrow here is part of the. Let's see. Sorry. This arrow here is part of the dark grab indicator, which is where is it? This one here, the math trend grabber tool. Okay, so if you want the arrows to be shown, I believe that it's the first option here, draw arrows, and you have it marked. Let's see, is the 34, and I do have all of these colors in there, which paints what's going on. Okay, so gold is continue moving down. Very nice. That's what I wanted. Okay, so those are the colors. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna end it in the stream right here. Hopefully, you guys had fun today with me, and thank you so much for watching. I love the 7 likes today, so thank you so much, and guys, see you next time. And be safe. Be safe today. Tomorrow there's a big event. So we could have some good moves today, but I wouldn't expect that much until tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow is the big day actually. All right, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.